I haven't been filming in a while, so I haven't been vlogging for a while. I've been lazy, and it's been boring lately. But yeah, I'm determined right now to share what happens in my day for today. I'm running late, heading to the office now, but got up late, so I'm running late right now. And yeah, that's it. Nothing special for today. Just work day, and yeah, I need to upload some videos also. So let's see how this day goes. And I'm home. So I started trying to vlog this morning, and what happened was I just end up at home right now filming myself, and yeah, just one of those problems. Like I want to film, I want to put new content to my vlog. I want to put awesome b-rolls, awesome videos in my vlog, but when I'm there, I'm not really motivated, and I'm tired because I go up early for work. I leave the house early, and then ride a train for an hour, and then go to work the whole day. Just have a brief moment of rest during my lunch break, and then I go back working again, and I go back home in the afternoon. Like I end up work around 5:30, and then I'm gonna ride a train again for an hour back home. As soon as I arrive home, the sun's nearly gone, and I'm tired. And when I arrive at the house, I just sit down, look at the computer, check out YouTube, or maybe check out some videos, Netflix and everything, and just back up, do some edits, do some backlogs into things. And after a while, I realize that the clock's nearly around 10, 12 or later. So like I go to bed, nothing's happening. Like yeah, on weekends I shoot weddings, so I'm able to make vlogs out of weddings, but most of the times when you're shooting wedding, you're working also. So hands on deck, you're not supposed to be vlogging. You're supposed to be filming the bride or the groom or whatever you're doing. So it's been tough. I want to vlog, I want to do some good, awesome videos for you guys, but as of now, it's not that I'm not really motivated, but yeah, when I'm on my whole week, I'm not motivated because there's no time, I get tired. And also when I arrive home, I'm tired, and then on the weekends I shoot weddings. So yeah, the best opportunity I had was when I was traveling to New Zealand. Apparently my vlog wasn't good then also, because I was like, I don't know, I was trying to de-stress. But hopefully in the next few days I'll be having new vlogs, new entries and everything else, and I'll be bringing back bisaya also, because I haven't made any updates on that one. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Yes, wish me luck, guys. I can give you more. I don't know. I don't even know if you're watching. I don't know if how many watching me, but I just want to put up videos every day. I don't really care that much. I just want to put up videos just for my personal consumption. And if you guys enjoyed, just give me some support, like, comment. That would mean a lot. I know you're looking. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is just me talking to the camera now, trying to get something. I'd like to introduce you to my new setup, which is my RX 100 and my Editage mic. I have a phone call. Where's my phone? Oh, there's a call. Okay, I'm back. So Laura just called me, and she was heading to Kmart, and she wasn't able to figure out where Kmart is in Baronia. So she went to Burwood, and when she went to Burwood, everybody's evacuated. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. And also, I noticed me wearing my Labasa Tubig Potong shirt, because I think it's just getting hot right now. Today's still spring, but it's getting warm. I like it warm, but I don't like it too warm. I'm gonna try to open the doors to the balcony right now and see. But in a few moments, I'll try to edit, and I can finish some things right now. So yeah, that's it for now. Nothing new, just me blabbering. So just hi, hello, how are you guys going? Say hello to my RX 100 Mark 7 and the Editage mic. I'll be changing my mic. I'm still looking for my mic. I want a lav mic to put in here, but I find it finicky to put on the lav mic here. So I just figure out I'm gonna get that small microphone. Anyway, this is me blabbering because I really want to put up a good video, but it's just me blabbering today. So yeah, bye.